Assalamu alaikum dear students, let's take a new chapter. That about this new chapter the Kashmiri shawl. Shawl te wushmut so zyad pan laga, it is often used by the women folk and rarely by men. Zyad pan zane kara use. Let's begin. Our state is famous for many things. Study the following and gather information about. So you see Kashmir is mashhur variyan cheezan mas to ban kan yim cheez se dit show yim kum cheez se gardens. Gardens gay Mughal gardens at mas famous san Kashmir. Wood carving means designing. So lakri asan designing kirit. To tat mas san Kashmir mashhur. Arts and handicrafts. Qalian cheez banawa, shawl cheez banawa. At mas mashhur san Kashmir. Rivers and lakes. To shan dariya yetik. Lakes means Waller Lake, Dal Lake, that must be famous. Kashmir, Mashur. Winter supports. To Shusha, winters mazim supporters, Nibrim tourists, they enjoy winter supports. Where? At Gulmarg. Scenic beauty. Scenic beauty means having a natural, beautiful scenery. You said Sai Kashmir, that must be Mashuri. That is scenic beauty. Hospitality means gay mehman nawazi person karan that must say Kashmir mashhur. Kashmiri cuisine called wazwan, so that must say Kashmir mashhur at wazwan as must. Temples, it's various temples in Labna. Large number of temples are in our state. That is why it is famous. The utmost famous say Kashmir. Let's read. Who does not know about the Valley of Kashmir, a beautiful place in the north of India? The question pata ki yat mutlik yat sai Kashmir mutlik. It means everyone knows. Prat kansh pata. Nim Valley of Kashmir is beautiful place in the north of India. It is called paradise on the earth. The paradise on the earth kat bana Kashmir. Jannat be nazir shet bana. Paradise on the earth means jannat be nazir. ये क्या चीज़ मना मतलब कत मतलब states कत ये states मुझे मना मतलब हिंदुस्तान उसमें ये इस मना कश्मीरी. It is called paradise on the earth. It is famous not only for its scenic beauty but also for its handicrafts that have won name and fame throughout the world. कश्मीर शन मशहूर सिर्फ खूबसूरती मज़ की बल्कि श मशहूर handicrafts मज़. Handicrafts मज़ मतलब इस क्या बनावा क़ालीन च बनावा शाल च बनावा अमे अलाव तह चीज़ बनाने में अत मज सन कशीर मशहूर that have one name and fame. Name and fame means famous. Handicrafts is also famous throughout the world. The Kashmiri handicrafts. Among these handicrafts is the Kashmiri shawl. At handicrafts मज कुछ इस चीज़ बनाने में सो Kashmiri shawl. So कुछ a fine and a light. Fine. बेश आसान हल्क. Wrapping. So it's used that keeps you warm in winter. So it's thawa मतलब इन सच रोजा गर्म अशन सर्दी करा महसूस के कत सीजन्स मज in winters मज and gives elegance to your personality. बेश beauty. Elegance means beauty. So it's करा साई personality मज beauty ते add. हुरिर श गसान सायत खूबसूरत मतलब साई personality मज श गसान खूबसूरती हुरिर. Kashmir has been producing shawls for centuries now. Francis Bernier was the first European who visited Kashmir in 1664 and who wrote about the softness and delicacy of this local fabric. Kashmir has been producing shawls. As you show, carpet karan Kashmir producing shawls for centuries now. Just got carpet clear. How many years make a century? 100 years make a century. Ak hat wirish banawa ak century. Yele sono variha imokalago variha century pe ye variha sadio pe ye Kashmir karan produce shawls. Francis Bernier was the first European. So was god new European. This European Rosenwulos malab who visited Kashmir in Temkar Kor visit or Kashmir states mas in 1664. Who wrote them look about the softness and delicacy of this local fabric. Softness and fineness of this Kashmiri shawl, of this local fabric. Fabric means soft material which is used in making shawls. सॉफ्ट मटीरियल फैब्रिक वन सॉफ्ट मटीरियल यूज ग शाल बनानस मज तथ वन सह लोकल फैब्रिक ये मटीरियल सॉफ्ट मटीरियल विच इज यूज्ड इन मेकिंग शालस शाल बनानस मज यूज करान यम कर तारीफ कमिक कश्मीरी शाल अमिच सॉफ्टनेस अमिच फाइननेस these shawls are woven on handlooms by men and are about 2 meters long and 1 to 5 meters wide. Yet pet him banavan that's his handlooms woven go banavan. In shawls yet pet banavan the timish zesher kotash zimeter asan zut the khajar timuk 1.25 meters wide. Bernier talks about two types of shawls. In dun qisman shawl hans kath karmas Francis Bernier yor aaya European su kar aaya that you must remember 1664 tem ch dun shawl hans karmas kath one made with local fine wool chis wana famas air ak chavan local is fine wool ch tem se tema banavna shawls and the other from the soft under fleece means dear soft hair Shasan Naram means fur of a sheep that is called fleece. Here's from the breast of the wild goat, the kell goat. So Shtund wear asa. Kimenund is wild goat. So Shasan Titan Parton Petty goat love kell goat. The Biak is Tundi Timinishima Pam wear Hessel Karna, the Timukishima Shalas banana. The later much more expensive. Later means go use him dimish zikir kar so go severe use him wild goat or kel goat or nishwesel karash use timuk shal bana so asan zyad kamti more expensive means go zyad kamti ash. In winter the wild goats found in high altitudes of Tibet and Central Asia. In winter the wild goats winter se pata hai kach bana is atmos matlab yit shesh dersons asan winter this season this is face karan chu yat man sheen pewan chu yat man variya sardi chu asan to this winters man wild goats chu chuvan labna men thadan pahadan pet tibdikin isu tibet chu apari ladakh kin areas man that areas man pewan high altitudes and Central Asia grew a layer of soft hair under their normal coarse hair grew a layer soft hair is soft hair chasa is men huttal asan is men normal coarse hair chasa coarse means rough hair the tal chasa is soft hair men kimen kel goat im asa this help them survive is men madad divan zind roznas mans in cold sardi doran at high altitudes men thadan pahadan pet that chasa extreme cold survive karam zind roza imi sed is year in chasa when spring comes these goats shed off their extra layer by rubbing their bodies against bushes and rocks. How these goats shed off their extra layer is when pet chasa so rough distance is to when zikir kar heri normal course rough hair तो सह कित पे मतलब शड करान सह शड करान ये पन बॉडी रब करान कत सत बुशस गई जाड़ियन सत या राकस गई चटान तथ सत दिवान गखर तिथे पे रब करान सह एक्स्ट्रा लेयर ऑफ हेयर नाउ देयर आर फार्मर्स वेयर द गोट्स इज रियर्ड एंड वूल इज कलेक्टेड वुच कह फार्मर्स बनियामत ये रचान कैल गोट तत पालन तो इहद यह वूल तक कलेक्ट करना क्या कमती ज्यादा अमुक शाल बनान सह ज्यादा कमती द लोकल पीपल गैदर दिस फ्लीस कॉल्ड फम तम गैदर मीन्स गो कलेक्ट कर फ्लीस मीन्स गो वेयर अत वन कशिस मज वन फम अत एंड सेल इट इन कश्मीर वैली पे कन यह पे वैली मज वी हैव नाउ फार्मर्स वेयर द कैल गोट आर रियर्ड एंड द वूल इज कलेक्टेड ऑन ए लार्ज स्केल वह फार्मर्स मौजूद ये कैल गोट्स पालान तो इहद वूल कलेक्ट करान ऑन ए लार्ज स्केल बड़िस पैमानस पे in Kashmir and other areas, local goods also produce wool. Sani yat Kashmir maz, to Bukin area maz, the local goods, good kas is not savage. Which is jungly savage, is kel goods, pahadan petarin pahadan petarin labna, tawais tas one wild good. The which tumte, in farm maz, palna tam goods, the ishkara don't wear the collect. And in Kashmir, other areas, local goods, which is in local savage, them tish produce karam wool, them tish karam farm produce, and are common to remove it. So she want patiman, but she pata ke pochi was tuned, it can a pure shasatimis ke pochis year wala. But the shawls are made from this wool are inferior in quality. Use is shawl banawashu, tim yaruk, uses local goten on the air. Local savage on the air. So she has an inferior in quality. So she has a superior ken social. To those made from the wool got from the wild goat. Magar su wool is air karachi husel. Timot savage is a wild goat. So that's cash back now is kel goat. So she has a zad kumti. Timuk shal bain. So she has a zad kumti benesbete. So shal is kimuk bain local wool. Thank you.